The 7 highly toxic drinks in our daily diet, causing deadly diseases. Did you know? Our everyday drinks, from mealtime refreshments to post-workout thirst quenchers, they all harbor grave threats to our health. Shocking findings, from institutions like the World Health Organization and Harvard School of Public Health, uncover a slew of harmful ingredients, from hidden sugars to sinister artificial colors. And these are not just bad choices. Rather, they are linked to cancer, heart diseases, diabetes, and bone degradation. So, are you ready to face the truth? Join us as we unveil, after an extensive research, the 7 deadliest drinks you're consuming each day, and guide you towards their healthier alternatives. Brace yourself, as each revelation is more shocking than the last. So, will you dare to listen till the end? Let's find out. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So, here are the 7 poison-like, worst drinks you must avoid. Poison number 1. Soda and carbonated soft drinks. Yes, sodas, consumed by millions of us each day, are deceptively harmful for our health. A study by the Harvard University has some crucial findings. It directly links these drinks to various harmful diseases. These include obesity, type 2 diabetes, and tooth decay. And, do you know the prime reason for this deadly behavior? It's the high fructose corn syrup, used as artificial sweetener in these drinks. Plus, the artificial colors used in these drinks further add up to the associated health risks. Some studies have even related it to cases of premature deaths. To avoid these health hazards, you can go for sparkling water, infused with natural fruit slices like lemon, lime, or cucumber. It certainly gives you the fizz without the sugar and deadly chemicals. Moving on. Poison number 2. Energy drinks. Energy drinks, beloved by many of us, pose great hidden threats. A study from the Journal of the American Heart Association has some key findings. It warns of increased blood pressure and heart risks due to the high caffeine and sugar levels in these drinks. And mixing them with alcohol is even more perilous, often leading to overconsumption and potential liver issues. In 2019, a report by the British Medical Journal linked daily consumption of just 4 energy drinks to a 21-year-old's liver failure. You can try green tea or herbal teas for a healthy replacement. They provide you a natural caffeine boost without excessive sugar or artificial ingredients. And you know, the next 5 drinks really shook my girlfriend to the core. Let's find out why. Poison number 3. Sweetened coffee and tea drinks. Now, this really broke my heart. It's not the coffee or tea itself, it's what we add to it. A study from the Public Health Journal made some groundbreaking revelations. It connected sugary beverages, like sweetened coffees and teas, to a heightened risk of type 2 diabetes. When you toss in sugar, syrups, and whipped creams, the calorie count skyrockets. So instead of grabbing that caramel frappe, consider a plain brew for yourself. So, which coffee you grab at your work, do tell in the comments. Poison number 4. Bottled fruit juices. If you think that store-bought juices are a healthy choice, you must think again. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has some eye-opening findings. It suggests that consuming high amounts of sugar-sweetened beverages is linked to severe weight gain and an increased risk of metabolic syndrome. Despite marketing claims, many packaged fruit juices are as sugar-loaded as sodas. They strip the beneficial fibers from whole fruits, leaving behind just the sugary liquid. Shockingly, global obesity figures have tripled since 1975. And sugary drinks like these play a big part in this. It's not real fruit, it's a sugary illusion. Go for whole fruits instead, they are a much better option for your health and well-being. Poison number 5. Alcoholic drinks, especially sugary cocktails. Now, this really made me think, the way we all party. The World Health Organization states, over 3 million deaths yearly result from alcohol consumption only. And adding sugary mixers further compounds the health risks. These alcoholic drinks not only vastly raise the calorie intake, but they also stress the liver and spike blood sugar. Alcohol consumption can also lead you to diseases like cirrhosis. A healthy replacement for you can be cocktails made with natural ingredients like fresh fruit juices, herbs, and minimal added sugars. Are you addicted to any of the alcoholic drinks? Do tell in the comments. Moving on. Poison number 6. Sports drinks. Intended for recovering athletes, sports drinks often contain added sugars and artificial colors. And for many of us, this translates to unnecessary calorie intake. The British Medical Journal revealed that excessive consumption of sports drinks can contribute to severe weight gain. For healthy alternates, you may try electrolyte-infused water or coconut water. Both these drinks are great for hydration without unnecessary sugars and colors. And finally, poison number 7. Diet sodas. While they all boast 0 calories, diet sodas bring their own set of concerns. Their main allure, the artificial sweeteners, have been linked to disruptive metabolic patterns. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that individuals who drank diet soda daily experienced a nearly tripled increase in waist size over 9 years. Furthermore, some research, such as a study from the Nature magazine, suggests that these sweeteners can negatively impact the gut microbiome. And this can lead to digestive issues and even heightened sugar cravings, pushing you back to unhealthy dietary choices. So friends, you are really lucky to have come across this info before it got too late. And remember, always read labels, limit the sugar intake, and make informed choices about your diet. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, as we'll be bringing more vital info related to your nutritional health and well-being. Do like the video, and share it with your friends if you found this info helpful. We'll be back soon, with another amazing health-enhancing video for you.